Welcome students. Today we will discuss about collage, its definition, types of collage and significance of collage at primary level. Collage. Collage is a technique of an art production primarily used in visual art where the artwork is made from an assemblage of different forms, thus creating a new whole. Collage is a French word which means gluing or pasting. As an art term, it refers specifically to the assembling, arranging and pasting of paper, clothes and other material to create an artistic composition. It involves the use of almost any material and it is useful for creative imagination. The term collage was coined by both George Braque and Pablo Picasso in the beginning of 20th century when collage became a distinctive part of modern art. Types of collage: simple collage and mixed collage. Skill developed among students through collage. Creativity. Collage really fuel creativity and imagination as they can be anything. We created everything from snail and fish to car. Fine motor skills. There is numerous opportunity when creating a collage for children to develop their fine motor skills, working the tiny muscles in their fingers and hand that are needed for important tasks like to learning to write, picking up small objects such as sequins, pom-poms, pipe, cleaner, squeezing the glue and putting the material into the paper all require their fine motor skills. Speech and language skills. The children were so chatty when creating their collages and it was no wonder there is so much to talk about. New textures, sparking sequins, sticking glue, soft feather, colorful jewels, bendy pipe cleaner, a fantastic activity to encourage children to develop their descriptive language. Sensory activity. Developing skills are not only benefit of collage for children. Making can be wonderful sensory experience for a lot of children with the bright colors, sparkles and different texture. Thank you very much for watching this video.